Hey everybody. So I'm working on the skid steer. Got to get a radiator in it. This radiator came with it. I don't know what it's out of. It's out of some little foreign car. But I went ahead and I got one mount made. This is pretty easy. It's just tacked in place. Just a piece of 1.25" angle. This is just a brace, bracing it off. Tacked it to the frame to hold it here. Now I checked. I got enough clearance behind the door. I got about a 1/2 inch of clearance, so the door won't hit the radiator. Now on the other side, let me change the angle here. Hang on, we're going for a ride. Hang on. Woo! Wow. Okay, open that door. On the other side, I'm going to bring a piece of angle iron up off the floor, off the bottom way down here. I think I'll put a bracket here that I can bolt this on. And I'll do some kind of bracketry that'll come over here and brace it. But I want to be able, I got to be able to remove it. Otherwise, it's got to be in the way when I try to pull the motor out. So I just kind of figured out about how long it's going to be. Drilled a couple holes in it. And use one of these weld-in nuts. Have you seen those? They're pretty cool. You drill a hole, you put it through the hole, and you just weld around the flange. And there you have a fairly flat surface. Anyway, that's how I did that. These come in, these are really handy. I got these, I think I got them from McMaster. But I ended up using them all over the place on the 37. He had all kinds of bad spots. So I'll get a couple bolts, put this here. I got the radiator just kind of hanging here on a wire. Well, it's got 2 bolts in it here. So let me get a couple bolts, let me bolt this up and hang it there where it's kind of going to go. All right, I got an 8-inch piece and a 4-inch piece. Just like I said, I think that's going to come across over like that. And that piece can go like that. Like that on the floor. Let's see. If I do it like that, huh? All right, let's see if that's gonna work. If I do something like that, that'll work. Little clearance issue right there. Well, that's going over that a lot, isn't it? Okay, I'm playing with that on there to get it on there, get it square. Now I can tack it. I don't want to hear anything about welding with shorts on. I don't want to power chrome either. I need more crap on the way. There we go. Can anybody be more disorganized? Have I bumped it yet? I don't think so. I think it looks pretty good. All right, here goes nothing. Hot. All right. Ha, I was going to drill those holes before I did that. Awesome. Oh well. I didn't. Hey, wait, no, it's hot. All right. Put that on there. Getting closer. All right, I'm going to go ahead and drill those holes before I go any farther. All right, got that tacked on nice. Got the holes drilled. All right. I guess what I do. I need to, need to drill these holes to correspond to that. It's got a little bit of offset, so it's not. They don't hold flush. It's got to go hold to the back. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold this where it goes. Hold that like that. Clamp it. Yep. Now pull that back off and drill those holes. All right. I got the area cleaned up. I got the other bracket down here bolted on, so I can reach underneath there really awkwardly. I get on the floor, but I'd never be able to get back up. Not with these knees. And tack it in place. See how that goes. Light. Light. I had a light. All right, I got that one tack on there. Got the light, but I forgot to hold it up. So, come on. Break that tack free. Come on. Come on. There it is. I want to hold it up a little higher. There, I think that's better. I think. All right, let's try that again. That should do it. All right, anyway, I need another bracket down there. How long does that need to be? Because all this on the back here, that was for some other attachments that I have no idea what they were. But, you know, as you can see, they're really massive. I got that far, I better make sure my door closes. That'd be embarrassing. Oh yeah, no problem. All right, so I made a little bracket, had some angle, drilled a hole through it corresponding, welded a nut to the back of it, so I can put this on, put that in place, and tack weld it down there. It should work. I think that's got it pretty good. Oh no, nuts. Okay, now I should be able to weld all these brackets up permanently. And it should be good to go, huh? In theory. Okay, and there it is. I got it all bolted up. The radiator in it. Sprayed a little, squirt a little bit of paint on it. Nice and sturdy. Well, I can knock that off the list. A couple other things to do. Exhaust and nickel and dime stuff. But having the radiator in it is good. Now I got to figure out heater hoses, which I'm in the process of doing, parts and pieces. All right. So I think this one can go on there. Oh yeah. And then just there, how's that? That'll work, right? Oh, my little green light went out on my microphone. Wonder what's up with that. Awesome. Well, it shows little volume things going up and down, so I guess it hears me. All right, cool. What's next? I don't know, I'll figure out something. I got another hose. Maybe I'll just pick up another one of these hoses. And even that's too big. I'll figure something out. Go through my hose pile, get something going together. Anyway, but that's it for now. Mission accomplished, got the radiator in it, mounted up. Now I'm getting really close to being dry this thing. Well, appreciate everybody watching, checking in. Take care. See you soon.